Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. It is raining outside, and since it is raining, it's been hot, cold, back hot, back cold. Now I got this crack in my windshield. This is probably 7-8 inches right here all the way down, and we're gonna try and fix that with windshield repair kit from rainx. Let's go ahead and open it and see what's in the box. Now, a quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored. This is just something I saw on YouTube. It says that it can repair up to 12 inches. So that's pretty far. Let's try it on mine. The main thing we would need is this resin right here. So what's in the box? The resin, of course, this is what we need. I got 2 of these because I feel like I would need more. This is for if you have any bullseyes or just chips. This is also part of the suction cup or the plunger. Be careful opening the instructions, so you don't want this stuff to fall out. Got a razor blade as well. This side is for the directions for if you have like a chip. This side's for the cracks. Windshield should be shaded from direct sunlight until entire repair is complete. The repair may not be successful when the crack is over 12 inches. It extends to the edge of the windshield in 2 places. The crack is not in the outer layer of the glass. Alright, the first thing you want to do is get you some alcohol and a paper towel. And just kind of clean the area really good. Make sure you go beyond the crack because you're gonna have to put resin all around here, so make sure this is all clean. Go ahead and start away from the crack and work your way down towards the chip. I'm pretty sure the chip is right here, so let's go ahead and start adding it in there. And you want to do this very slowly. You don't want to do it too fast because you could create air bubbles. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to force that resin right in there. It's okay if it runs down, but you want to try and force that resin all the way in there. If you have to, tap on the glass a couple times, let the air bubbles out, and just keep working with it. That was my neighbor. He got a Ford Lightning. From the way this looks, it looked like I'm gonna have to go in there and beat it from the inside. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. You don't want to go too crazy on it because you definitely do not want to spread the crack anymore. But since I did that, it looked like this whole entire section right here that I was working with had disappeared. So I'm a little excited because now it's going away and it kind of spread down to here too, so let's keep working with it. You want to make sure the resin don't run down to your wiper cowl because it won't come off, so just make sure you don't let it run down to that point. None of this is visible now. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's the crack, and then it goes all the way up, but you can't see it anymore. That is the resin. You could kind of see the crack a little bit. I just need to add some more, but that is definitely a big difference. You know, I always knew that rainx had some good stuff, but this is next level. Even if it's not fixing the crack, which I mean, I don't think it is. I think it's just filling it in. If it doesn't spread, that's a plus for me, because I was worried about this spreading. All right, now that we got all of it filled in, you can't really see the crack anymore. What you want to do is go ahead and put a layer of resin right at the beginning of the crack. Get you a sheet of the plastic or whatever this is and just lay it right on top of it. You don't have to put any pressure on it. You don't have to force it down. Just make sure there's no air bubbles. Tap it a little bit. I can't even see where the crack is, honestly. And just keep doing that for the length of the crack. You want to overlap these as well. And since I don't have any sunlight, it is raining, I'm gonna use my flashlight. Since it got heat on it, it's a pretty strong flashlight. Shine the light on here and let it cure. You gotta leave that on here for about 10 minutes. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, now that we're back, we have it sitting in not direct sunlight, but there is some sunlight out here. I thought this was pretty cool. As you can see, I did have a few chips right here that I didn't know about because it was too small. Just went ahead and filled it in. But this was cool about it. So right now, I don't know how well you can tell, but you cannot see the crack at all. But whenever I turn on my really bright flashlight, you see the shadow of it. So that's what it looked like with the light on it. That's without the light. Now that it's been sitting for a little bit, let's go ahead and peel off the plastic. Start with the bottom first. You're supposed to wait until this stuff dries really good. So now that all the plastic is off of it, you get your razor blade and you just go ahead and start. And just to let you know, you are going to have to be very aggressive with this. Keep it at a 45-degree angle. What I like to do is I like to keep my finger underneath the razor, and then I put it up against the glass, and that's how I keep it 45 degrees. Try and go up and down. Don't try and go side to side, because if you do, you might pick up the edge of the glass. So try and go straight down it or straight up it. Dang it, man, when I say it's not perfect, but you cannot see it, you cannot see it, especially in the camera. That's the chip right there. You can see a little bit of the crack right here, but everywhere else, I can't even see it. Hang on. It looks like it goes from here all the way up to here, but it just looks like a scratch. Let me go ahead and clean off the rest of this stuff. Yes, 10 out of 10. Would recommend this. You can't even see it anymore. Yes, it's still there. You can kind of see it in certain lights, but like right now, it's like really hard for me to even see where the crack actually is. Like I can see where this is, but even still, it's like when you first look at it, you don't see a crack in the windshield. Now you guys know about the FJ. The FJ is known to have cracked windshields. You can clearly see that one, even with the water on it. And just go ahead and show you what it looked like inside the vehicle. You can see it a little bit, but when I tell you it's extremely hard for you to see it, it's like a hairline crack. So yes, guys, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you got a crack that's smaller than 12 inches, go ahead and get you some of this. I got the link down below. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by this product at all. I just so happened to walk outside and see a crack on my windshield, and I did not have the money to replace it. This, what, $15? A lot better buy than paying $200 for a windshield. Like I said, link in the description below. Go ahead and get you rainx windshield repair kit. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click on this video right here. I bet you enjoy that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, okay?